she comes. Nope, she said no. Oh my god. That's a 40-pound cat.
You know how to get it up?
That's a 40-pound cat.
You can grab him underneath the gill and
right, I don't.
Catfish won't mess with you.
Oh, I know. I'm not afraid of it.
If you want to try the net.
No, it'll destroy my net. That's not handled for that.
I'd love to get a picture of you holding it.
We'll take it in. I'm gonna take it in. Show some people some fish.
Right here, yeah.
Nope.
Not ready yet, huh?
Stick your hand up in his gill.
Yes! Yeah, he's gonna want to flop. That's a 40-pound cat. Easy.
Every bit.
Easy, every bit of 40 cat.
Just watch when you get up near that part there when he clamps
Yeah, his
jaws.
crushers. Yeah, they're not engulfers, they're crusher fish.
Yeah.
That's why I don't want to get too far in there, you know, when I...
No, he's big enough you can stick your hand up in there.
Yeah, but I don't want to get my fingers in his crushers.
Yeah, just keep it
I'll
away from
boss
his jaw.
my fingers in a heartbeat. It's a fish this size. Well, hell, that made it worth it coming back in here. That's a blue cat. That's the first blue cat I've ever caught.
Hold him up.
I'm taking this in. Can you open a live well lid? I got it, Dan.
Oh my god.
24 pounds. 24.15. 24.15.